Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Plasma skin. First, understand that rare character skins like Ghost Plasma are typically acquired through limited-time events or special in-game store offerings. These unique opportunities require players to be vigilant and participate actively. It's all about timing and knowing where to look within the game's ecosystem. We'll explore the primary avenues to secure such coveted items, ensuring you're prepared for future opportunities to expand your collection of awesome gear. Many exclusive items, including character skins, are earned by completing event-specific tasks. These events often feature dozens of challenges, from achieving a certain number of kills to winning multiple matches. Additionally, progressing through the Battle Pass by earning experience points can unlock premium rewards, sometimes including rare character skins. Aim to complete all available missions to maximize your chances of earning these special items. The in-game store is another key location to find rare skins. It frequently features special bundles or lucky draws that may include highly sought-after items like Ghost Plasma. These purchases typically require Call of Duty points, the game's premium currency. While lucky draws offer a chance at exclusive rewards, remember that they involve an element of randomness, so be prepared for multiple attempts to secure your desired item. Keep an eye on official social media channels and community forums for potential redeem codes or special giveaways. Developers sometimes release codes that grant free access to rare skins or valuable in-game currency. Participating in community events or contests can also provide additional opportunities to win exclusive items. Staying connected with the game's vibrant community can offer unique pathways to expand your collection of rare character skins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.